We all know the benefits of a green environment. It calms you down, it brings a lot of positivity. It also boosts your productivity and your creativity. So I think that's a really big advantage for living and working here. For me, it's always been a really special place. We still live next door. The plot on which we built used to be the Our Garden. I was very familiar with how the light falls. All the trees that has always been here, so that's why the ideas on what we wanted to do came really fast. Here, the house isn't the biggest house you have ever seen, but it is used very intensively. For example, we don't have like a special dining room for Christmas, or we don't have like an extra spare room to have a guest room. But this means that we use this house to the maximum actually, and we don't want any wasted rooms that you only use a few times a year. We have to find a balance between the budget and the things you want. Instead of having a facade in natural stone, we chose a more economic approach. However, we found a way to make it simple and elegant. For the inside, we actually wanted diversity, different textures, natural tones, and a mix of modern and traditional Bolognese elements. Every space feels open and connected to nature. From the handcrafted wooden details to the soft linen textures, the bedrooms are cozy yet elegant. And the bathrooms, they feel like a private spa. It looks like the house has always been here, blending so naturally with the landscape. And that's what I love most. It's not just a villa, it's a home that truly belongs to its surroundings, and being here just feels right.